Solana's price is crashing right now, so let's discuss what is going on. What are my price targets for Solana? Is it time to trade it? Is it time to sell it? Is it time to hold it? Let's figure out why this is happening right now. First of all, over $879 billion has been wiped out from the US stock market just today. So of course, guys, this is going to affect the market. Everyone is panicking because there are fears of recession, right? Over 2.9 trillion has been wiped out from major indices and stocks all over the last 24 hours. This is the worst day for stocks since March 16, 2020, during the COVID-19 pandemic fears. Guys, this is not any laughing matter. The US recession is underway, apparently. According to the SHM rule, the Saham rule, I think that's pronounced, I'm not actually sure. Let me know if I'm an idiot in the comment section. But named after the Fed economist, a recession is likely if the unemployment rate, the 3-month average, rises by 0.5% from its low. Bloomberg reports it as triggered right now. The 3-month average for the unemployment rate is 4.2, which is 50 basis points higher than the 12-month low, triggered in every US recession since 1970, apart from 1959 and 1969, which both were premature by a few months. So this is probably about to happen, guys. Is it going to affect the market in the way we think it is? I don't know for sure. But let's take a look at Solana's price. So we are back in our wedge that we are watching closely. And this is looking like it could have been just a fake out, and now we are pushing down to the downside. You can see here that I have buys set up in case we go lower, and the lowest higher resistance here is 148, but I do have a buy all the way down at 140 just in case we head that low. Now we do have one trade that has triggered so far at about 149. I am hoping that this does start to bounce, but of course the money that I'm using in these accounts I can afford to lose, especially the money in this BTCC account. I'm just using their free trading bonus you get when you sign up and deposit for the first time. You actually get a 10% deposit bonus for first time deposit. So if you want to sign up and get that, by all means do it. There's no KYC or VPN necessary, so there's a link down there in the description. But with Solana in particular, why on earth is this happening? Well, guys, I hate to break it to you, but Solana is not independent from the market. Just look at Bitcoin. We just lost 62,000. We have very much broken the neckline for this double top. This is not looking good, guys. I can be honest. This is not looking good, but so far this is still the daily candle, and we may rip right back up to the top before this is closed. If we do close down here, we could see further downside. This is the bull flag that we've been watching here on the channel. We can go as low as about $53,000, $52,000 and still have this bull flag intact. That would make the market very fearful, extremely fearful, and those are the opportunities that we have. Now, Solana, the worst it can go and still stay bullish, in my opinion, is as low as 126. 124 was where we got involved into our last trade. Remember, all this upside action has been just since July 5th. So in 1 month, we actually went up for Solana from our trade all the way as high as 55%. And now we are having a pullback, guys. The pullback has got us right to where we can expect support. That's why I've opened a trade. Who knows if this works out? Again, I'm risking money I can afford to lose. It's my opinion that Solana is just reacting to the overall market. There is not more worry. This is big things that are happening, but I don't think it's anything to do with Solana itself. It's because the overall market is scared about the US recession. Now, it could be argued that Bitcoin is a safe haven from the recession, but I could argue that altcoins like Solana might not be safe havens. So you may not see big flows into these altcoins until we get this bull market underway. And really, we need to break out from this bull flag. So until Bitcoin really breaks 68,000 cleanly, you can see daily candles have tried to break it, but we have not broken it yet. So I think there is still a lot more movement underway. And really, we could argue that this is a more significant resistance now that we know that this has been put in. So looking at this, guys, there could be significant downside underway. If Bitcoin does fall lower, of course, Solana will also fall from there. Solana will also fall. The altcoins will continue to fall and continue to be red. Now, all we can do is try and find opportunities in this market. Over on the Patreon, we have found some amazing gems in this market, right? Over the last week, look at this. I just posted this today. Top G1500 hit a 4.5x from where we posted it just a few days ago right here. So 4.5x in this current market condition, a $1.8 million market cap up from a $450,000 market cap. And then we also have a cheeky 10 to 100x sitting right here for Camilla, which today did go all the way as high as $5 million market cap. $5 million market cap, but has since pulled back because, of course, Solana is not having a strong day. But these are projects that you might want to check out. No guarantees they continue to rise. We'll have to wait to see what happens. But guys, for my opinion on Solana, I would say it's time to relax. If you were waiting for an opportunity, this could be your opportunity to start dollar cost averaging, laddering in. If you've done your research and you believe that Solana will make it through, it is possible that we start another bear market from here. So can Solana make it through like it did the last bear market? Only time will tell. Let me know what you think about this down there in the comment section. And then remember, if you guys do want to come and check out the trades that I make, the link to the Patreon. And if you do want to sign up to MARGEX or BTCC and get those deposit bonuses, remember there's no KYC or VPN necessary. So you can trade from anywhere in the world. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace.